Hi, this is Shannon Prager with Leadit Marketing, and we're talking about integrated marketing today. So I thought I'd start off with just a basic definition. In its simplest form, integrated marketing refers to a consistent identity that's delivered consistently message to message, but also medium to medium. And when companies do it extremely well, it really becomes part of the DNA of the company, and it shows up across sales, marketing, advertising, and customer relations or customer support. I think the devil is really in the details in this one, and this is also what I feel like can really set a brand apart. I think it is the coordination in a few key areas. So first, the alignment on the sales targets for the year. So our marketing and sales working together to make sure that they're really focused on those particular revenue targets, whether they come from a particular product line or a particular persona. Next one is the coordinated effort of planning. And again, that can be on the sales and marketing side to make sure that the sales campaigns that are going on also have marketing support and alignment, and they're working together. The next would be the coordination or integration of the marketing team. So making sure that everybody is planning together and not working in individual silos where you've got maybe advertising going after one thing and email marketing going after another. Then I think it's the coordination of messages. So making sure that there's a really clear and consistent message across all the different touch points of the campaign, your website often being one of those. And then finally, the coordination of marketing channels. It's not usually like a one type of tactic effort. Integrated marketing involves all the different channels that a persona or your target market may be encountering, and really works those channels together.